Operations Manager and Head of the National Pest and Termite Control Limited, Oliver St. John, discussed measures of preventing vector-borne diseases. St. John said that the present threat is the Zika virus, and the company is working towards preventing the disease from entering the country. The Operations Manager also stressed that the company is focused on lowering the count of adult Aedes aegypti mosquito, as it is the vector of Zika disease.
Yes, we are aware of the Zika disease and the fact that from what we've heard, there's already one case identified somewhere in Central America. So therefore, the onus is on us to begin to prepare ourselves, that is Dominica as a country, in the event this disease were to reach our shores. So we need to start taking all sorts of the necessary preventive measures, as it were, and this we have begun doing. And so in that light, what we've done, we've intensified our work insofar as seeking to reduce the volume of adult Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, because again, as it is said, that Zika disease is also being spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito.
He further detailed that National Pest and Control has covered the north and the south areas of the country by way of fogging. St. John also made mention that the methods of prevention are proven to be effective, and the company is continuing to practice the methods. Furthermore, the Operations Manager urges the public to practice managing their environment to prevent breeding of the mosquitoes.
Again, now that we're going through the drought period, so you can well understand somebody who's doing a bit of farming for his or her livelihood, having 2-3 drums of water to help keep the plants going, and you're asking them to dump it. Now, I'm saying it doesn't have to get to that point at all. If the person adhere to the instructions and the recommendations that we make, then they can certainly keep the drums of water. All we're saying is, if you're going to do that, you have to do it in a certain manner, and that is to ensure that that drum is properly covered and free from allowing the Aedes aegypti mosquito or any other mosquito to breed in there.
Operations Manager and Head of the National Pest and Termite Control, Oliver St. John.